I'm Stephanie. Now, let's learn some Chinese. Today, we are going to talk about 水果, fruit. 水果, fruit. Now, this is an interesting combination, and it will help you to remember. 水 means water, 果 means fruit or berry. So 水果 you can understand as fruit always contains a lot of water, and therefore 水果, 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 both of them are third tone, which means your tongue needs to go lower. 水果, it goes lower and a little bit up. 水果, very good. 水果, 水果. Now, let's start with something which is my favorite, which is 西瓜, and it's right for the season because right now 西瓜 is on. So 西瓜, 西瓜, 西瓜. This word has two characters, obviously, and one side note is every Chinese character is one syllable, okay? So we've talked about third tone, 水果, 水果, and now 西瓜, both of them are first tone. So you can imagine talking or speaking like words like father, mother. So that is first tone. 西瓜, 西瓜, 西瓜. 瓜 means melon. 瓜 means melon. 西瓜, 西瓜, watermelon. And here, I know your question is, oh, how come it's not 水瓜? Well, it's not 水瓜. It's 西瓜. 西瓜. All right, moving on to the next thing that I had quite a couple of them lately, which is peach. Peach. 桃子, 桃子. Now follow me. 跟我读, follow me. 桃子, 桃子, 桃子. And next one is orange. A lot of people have orange juice in the morning. Orange is 橘子, 橘子, 橘子. Now to pronounce this word, you really need to pout a little bit. Now we know what the thunderclouds say, you better not pout. But for 橘子, you need to pout just a little bit. 橘子, 橘子, 橘子. I know I look silly, but if it helps to learn. 橘子. Now, I'm sure you've noticed that. How come 橘子 and 桃子 both has a z at the end? Now, what does that mean? I'll give you some other examples. 筷子, 桌子, 椅子. Now, you see, all these words have z in it. Z is actually a suffix. It doesn't really mean something specific, but it helps to reform the words, okay? So, for example, 桃子, the key part to understand its meaning is 桃, which literally means peach. And sometimes we ask, how much are these 桃? Some people say that. You can also say, how much are these 桃子? Both are fine, okay? And now, 橘子, 橘, this is also the key part, which means orange, okay? But the modern or contemporary Chinese, we like to use two characters to form into a word. Okay, so usually a word has a combination of two syllables, two characters. Okay, and further down the road, you will learn 3 characters word and 4 characters word. Usually those are idioms, but we will talk about them in the future. Okay? So for now, let's read again. 再读一遍. 桃子, 桃子, 橘子, 橘子. All right.